adventures that have not yet begun. Set up the sail for our ship. It's just you